Good morning, y'all. Excuse my face, excuse my attire. Today is Monday. Now, normally I would be at work, but unfortunately, I no longer have a job. If y'all want to hear more about that, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm thinking about doing a full video on that, but it's Monday. Kids got to be at school. Woke up, got them dressed, took them down to the school bus. Now I'm about to cleanse my skin, brush my teeth, and I think I need to go run a few errands before they get back here. I need to fold some laundry and all that good old mom story. I'm in my room. I haven't even opened up my blinds, so it does look a little dark in here. But let me go cleanse my skin and get my day started. Okay, first off, I think I'm gonna apply some chapstick because my lips feel a little crusty. They are so crusty. Okay. My face is fully cleansed. I'm going to first start off with, I want to try some new products. That's what I want to do. So I have this bag here from Ulta. Inside I have the brand The Ordinary, if you're all familiar with this. So this is the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. This is how it looks. It looks like this. Now it does say for PM use, but y'all know me. I do what I do. I also have this squalene. Heard some things about this. I have this solution peeling BHA. I have, what is this? It's retinol. And then I have, what is this one? Hyaluronic acid 2%. Then I have like this mini face mister. I'm going to start off by misting the skin first. Just adding a little moisture back into the skin. Okay, now if y'all interested in this little device, I'll leave a link for it in the description bar down below. I think I mentioned this on my channel before. If not, I'll give you guys the tea on that. But it's just a mini face mister. I do have some filtered water inside of here, and I mean, it does the job. I think I seen on Amazon where they use these when they're applying like false lashes or something. I don't know, but I have that, and it's just adding a little H2O back into the skin. I normally do go in with a toner. It feels actually really amazing. I'm gonna take a flattened cotton swab. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this toner. Okay, so that's the toner. I'm going to go in with this retinol and the hyaluronic acid for now. So I'm gonna take 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops. And so I'm going to massage it into the skin. It doesn't really feel like a serum, it feels like an oil. I've never used any of these products. We shall see how they turn out, but I love how my skin is feeling though. Nice and moisturized. I'm finna head out this door though. This is all that I'm doing for this morning. Something new, something different. And yeah, I'll see you guys a little later. Alright y'all, so I am officially back from the store. My phone storage was full and I could not do any more filming. So I'm gonna do a little unbagging. I didn't get much, but I'm gonna get a little unbagging. Literally, I just needed some supplies from the dollar store and food to cook for today. So I have food, like items just for like today's meal only. So I'm gonna show y'all that. First things first, cotton swabs. 80 to a bag for $1. This is what I use to apply like my witch hazel and all of that on my face every morning and every night. Cannot go to the dollar store without getting these. Next up is this little spongy scrubby thing. I'm gonna use this to clean out like the bathroom sink and around, you know, toilet and whatever. Not the toilet and the sink, but around the sink area. So I got that, and then they actually had replacement heads for it. So you get a tuna pack for $1, so about 2 of those. And then I have these containers that have like my sugar, flour, rice in it. And I literally just have to like dump over. So I've seen these little spatula things. There's 4 in a pack for $1. They'll fit into the little container. So I bought 2 of those. So that's 8 of those. Then I always get a little thing of bleach like this from the dollar store because I don't do many white clothes. But when I do, it's a small load. So get this. Bought a pack of envelopes because I have to mail out my marriage certificate so I can start my name change. They do not take any appointments inside. You have to mail it in and then they mail it back to you. You have to send them your original copy. Let me know in the comments section down below if y'all know anything about that. But anyway, got that. And the main reason I went was for baggies. Like, let me show y'all how many I bought. About all of these baggies. I like the quart size, the sandwich size, and I even bought snack size because we be using the sandwich size and it be hella room left in those bags. So about 6 containers of baggies. I always get my baggies from the dollar store. And then I bought this little thing here. I bought it for my car because my dashboard stay dusty and I was supposed to leave it in the car, so I got to take it back down. I think I bought these little pans. You know, you never know when you might need them. And then I bought these reusable wipes, like towels. These are good for like when you want to get down to the toilet and, you know, wipe things down in the bathroom and stuff and you want to throw the towels out. Because somebody in this house don't like towels, said that they hold a nasty smell. So I thought these were great. You get 9 in a pack for $1. And they're good for dishes, just cleaning, kitchen, bathroom, some of everything. So you get 10 of those. I don't even know what else I got. I am obsessed with these. So I bought 3 bags of them. Last time I went, they did not have any sunflower seeds at all, nothing in stock. And if you know, you know, they have dollar seasons. And for some reason, Walmart has been out of garlic powder, so I purchased 3 of them. I don't like the garlic salt because it's salty, like it's very salty. So you don't really get the taste really much the garlic. You get more so of the salty flavor from it. So I got 3 of those, and then I'm obsessed with this Himalayan pink salt, about 2 of those. I think that was it from the dollar store. I went into another store to get some items to finish making chili. I think I'm gonna make chili today, so I went in and I bought a bag of Doritos, some tomato sauce, and some onions. I already get the chili powder and the chili season and the beans and the rotel and all that and the meat here. So I got a few more items. I don't feel like going to get it, so that's what else I got. I'm gonna try to organize this stuff.